What's going on, family? Man, I hope you guys are having an absolutely awesome day. By now, you should have seen my videos from the Muscle Car and Corvette Nationals. Included a few videos of cars with stories as well, right? So this video right here, I pulled out some of my favorite cars from the show. Now, the cars with stories were some of my favorites, but they had their own interview. We put this group together, at least I put this group together for you guys so that you guys can see my other favorites in the show that didn't get specially interviewed. So sit back, grab you something to snack on, maybe something to sip on, and enjoy my favorite cars from the Muscle Cars and Corvette Nationals 2023. Peace. Oh my goodness. Oh Lord, this thing is gorgeous. Oh, the wheels. Stick, manual, shaved handles. This thing is beautiful. Why is it hot? Man, that thing is been open. Beautiful. Oh boy. So y'all know me. I have a secret affinity for these things. Excuse me. Something about the AMX I just love. This thing is gorgeous. Got a car that got the built-in spoiler. And the spoiler, that roof. The lines on this thing is so different. You still got flares and it's Beetle-like. It looks like one of the old school cartoon cars. I love AMXs, guys. I swear I do. Chaplin, boy. I love them. I love them. Anybody that knows me knows my favorite old school car in the whole world. And this is it right here. There's something about the 65 Riviera, the clamshell lights. This thing is everything, bro. Everything. Sheesh. I need y'all to see this, man. Look how beautiful this car is, man. Just the lines. Bro, this thing squatted down, sitting on the right wheels. I got some ideas for this. Include some modifications to those clamshells. They don't stay that big. Oh my God. Something about the Ribby. I always have one. Lord have mercy. This thing. White Ribby. God. It's another 65 grand spoil. Look at this thing, bro. This color is nasty. I love Rivieras, guys. I don't know what it is. I love them. I like Wildcats too, but not as much as Rivies. Nope. Ooh, Lord have mercy. This Camaro is ridiculous. Sheesh. She's beautiful. Look at this. Pro Touring Camaro. I wish, and only wish. She's gorgeous. Beautiful car. Thank you for sharing it with us, bro. She's gorgeous. She's the first responsible, but this Nomad over here. I don't know if you've seen this one already. She's nasty. Nasty. It's a beautiful car, man. Look at this Nomad. This thing is so beautiful, guys. Interior is super, super clean. Beautiful car, man. Air Force. It's a veteran's car. Love it, love it, love it. It's taking something that came from nothing and making it something as beautiful as this. This car is gorgeous. I didn't think the Chair Force had it in to pull off something like that. Good job, Chair Force. Good job. I'm bringing you guys some of the American exotics that they have. I love the Ford GT. Of course, we know back then this car had the big V8. Look at this. What is this? Oh, this is a Ford GT. Oh my God. Look how wide this thing is. Super Snake 2. This thing is crazy, guys. Oh my goodness, you gotta see this. This thing is so wide. Of course, you're gonna move when I get in the trunk. This thing is wide. I cannot wait to see this finish. This car is beautiful. Look at this. So it is wide as this GT, but it looked like they took a GT and they turned it into a Cobra. Look at this. That's crazy. I really wish you guys could understand how wide this car is. It's beautiful. And of course, got the GT, one of the original bodies now with the Golf livery, looking absolutely gorgeous. And guys, and then we got the new one. It's a 19. I love this car. And you know what's unique about this one? Tell me what's the difference, guys. Other than the fact that it looks like a piece of art, this thing is absolutely beautiful. But it has a V6. It doesn't have the V8 like that guy. V6. This looks like a GT car, race car. Oh, it's a GT1, see? Oh, there's a GTG prototype. Look at this, all this carbon fiber, guys. Sheesh, that weave is nasty. Love the color scheme, though. Haha, she's beautiful. Lots of carbon. This thing is beautiful, man. It's carbon in the headlight housing. It's a prototype, but she's beautiful. Man, I want this on my car so bad. Tell me if y'all know what that is, guys. The wing. You know what that is? Leave another comment below. I want one of them so bad. I've been looking into that for a Zeus. Look at that. Transaction. She's beautiful. This spoiler is nice and it's active. You see that? Sheesh, twin wing. That thing is huge, guys, for real. That is a huge, huge wing. Beautiful car, though, for real. Found it for. Something about the Ford GT. The GTs are just. This thing is beautiful. Look at this livery. I've never seen this Golf livery before. She's beautiful. Never seen this Golf livery. This car is gorgeous. It's bright silver. That's crazy. She's beautiful, though. Look at this, guys. Oh. That's it. She's beautiful. I like this color scheme too. GTG. Beautiful cars. This blue is gorgeous. Ford GTs, man, they just haven't driven one yet, guys. I definitely want to get my hands on one of these to drive. Hope to drive one thing. On motors maybe, but love Ford GTs. They are absolutely gorgeous. Oh, look at this Bronco. Nice. All right, guys. I had to stop and see this thing. This car is absolutely beautiful. It's over here by 3D Pro Tuning. This Chrysler Imperial is absolutely gorgeous. Now 3D we know is a car care product, but this car Gee whiz, guys. You got this fine gentleman doing artwork on this beautiful car. Oh my God. Look at this. Those wheels are nasty. I'm gonna get you guys some good angles of this car. This thing is beautiful. My God. That's nasty, man. So, ooh, I gotta see this. Again, like the real ones. And boy, this one here. Oh my God. Sheesh. This is a real one. Do not touch. Peter Brock prototype. Oh my God. The paint on this thing. This thing is beautiful, guys. Oh my goodness. Carbon fiber around the lights and on the bumper. Interior, the leather is absolutely stunning. Those cars are beautiful. This car, and I think they even got the tint, a bronze tint on the windshield. Sheesh. Man, look at this. I'm talking about doing it right. Oh my God. Excuse me. Look at this. The calories. There's so much detail. This thing is crazy. It's a beautiful car.
Oh, thank you.
Oh my God. It's yours?
We built it.
Good Lord, man.
Started off life as my car, and then I sold it to one of my sisters.
Are you serious? Are you regretting the decision?
No, I didn't fit in it.
How long did it take to build this car?
We fast-tracked it in the shop. We still got a little bit left to do. We got it ready for SEMA, and then we brought it here. Well, we've got about 8 months in it right now.
Nice. Nice. What's the name of your shop?
We build the vets under Resto Mod Vet.
Yeah, Resto Mod Vet. I've heard of that. I was so enamored by the car, I don't think I even looked at any of the paper stuff on there. What's your name again?
My name is Mike.
Mike. Now, I'm a Corvette guy myself. I have a 1706. I love Corvette, so I like the rare stuff.
Did you watch Cary, New Orleans at all?
Yeah.
The black 50?
Yeah, yeah.
We built that car.
Are you serious? Interesting enough, I'm from New Orleans also. So
what's that?
I'm from New Orleans also.
Oh,
great work, brother. Yeah. Oh, awesome. Hey man, y'all looking for Resto? Look at my guy, man. Thanks, Mike. I appreciate you, man. You have a good one, brother.
Okay.
Absolutely. Thanks for bringing it out and sharing it, man. No, you know how we do, baby. Y'all know we don't do the norm around here. No, sir. Ooh, look how that sun kissing it. Look how that sun kissing it. Sheesh. Y'all know we don't do the normal around here, bro. Why is that, man? We were designed from greatness. Guys, because we were designed from greatness, guys, you have the right, the responsibility to never, ever, ever be average. So guys, don't be average. Yeah.